Disclaimer. All stunts in this video are done by professionals in a controlled environment with safety precautions. Do not try this at home. Enjoy!
Place, you know, trying to take care of all these guys right here that don't listen.
I like it, cut G.
We're waiting for my boy Chris, guys, to retune the OG since they got burnt at October Madness. The harness burnt up. Big shout out to Holly, guys, that made it happen. Sent us the harness. We swapped it out. Big shout out to church, swapped it out, and everything got just like got messed up. The tune got messed up, so we gotta wait for my boy Chris to do the tune on this one. Right now, guys, we're having technical difficulties con la abusadora.
Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy.
The brake system, the boost, I don't know what's wrong with it. It doesn't let us read it, but we're about to work on it right now after we do this little quick show. Guys, Shampoo is the damn runner. That truck is putting on a hell of a show, guys. And yeah, guys, Javi's here. He has my PISs on the front of the truck. Guys, check it out. Watch this. We got 6 feet cutty in the mix. Look at the OG's wheels. We had to throw them on. Javi's. Oh, look at you out. Damn. You don't know what? Huh? Oh.
Oh, hell no!
That's
oh, hell no! Whoa!
Guys, we're just gonna go wreck this and have some fun. So for now, hopefully you guys enjoy the vlog. Let's go, let's go.
Go crazy! Go stupid!
Look who we got. We got my boy Peter. Peter, tell him where you from. Toronto, Canada. I tell him, put your hands straight. He's like, why are you shaking? I'm not shaking, nigga.
This truck rips. Most angle, most speed on the pit. This guy gets down, most control.
No manual, no clutch, no handbrake. No, literally, guys, stock truck, 5.3, stock 5.3, stock literally 480. Oh no, I don't know. I think it's like a little build, you know. Big shout out, guys, to the transmission shop in AV, guys. Got down. Big shout out to JB Performance, Church of LS. Guys, this truck is a fucking runner. We were out there for like, what, like
5 minutes.
like 2 hours?
Yeah.
How did you like your experience in the truck, though?
It was so good. I've never been in a burnout truck before. I've always wanted to. Ismail always puts on the best shows, and since he built this truck, he's got all the speed, all the control. He's the fastest truck out there for sure. I love drifting, and he's ready for a drift car.
Guys,
I'm gonna put him on one of my cars.
I want.
Yeah, boy.
Did Nicky Slides crash? Did you crash? I crashed. Oh, you're talking about on my vlog, talking about, guys, the best job. What happened?
Okay, so look at
No.
over there. There's a spot where you can do donuts in a tight one. Well, I came in too hot and I slid and I just went straight into the cable.
What, you talking about that corner?
Yeah, I was in the box.
Wait, what corner was he talking about?
That corner over there?
The one where we went through like 100 miles per hour?
Yeah,
We
that's
did
what
that
I
like
was
6
gonna do.
times.
But I tried to go in there and hit a rollback to get some tight ones, and I cut it too hard and I smashed into the wall. And then
Guys.
my radiator's good, so
We just hit out the front bumper?
be out there.
We ain't going, guys. What's the name of your shop?
Naona's Auto Body.
In Sacramento. But yeah, guys, big shout out to my boy here, guys. Like he said, he's gonna be we're actually gonna be going out there and vlogging at his shop. We're gonna be going and I'm gonna be going and helping him do City Boys car. You know, because I don't want to be like, oh, it's your fault, my fault, guys. It's literally nobody's fault. We're going out there, having fun. This was literally crying, talking about that I hit him. You know what? On the next run, I'm gonna smack him.
I wanna say something. Hold on. I wanna say something. Hey,
Hold on. Buddy, dumbass.
hold on.
I have a video.
I wanna say something though. I wanna say something. If you guys are not subscribed to Smoke Him, go subscribe, get the numbers up, because if he goes up, we're gonna bring more content. Right?
It's facts! It's facts! It's not facts. These sites are not facts.
Alright, guys. It's almost horas. Time to shine. You guys are about to send it and see how she goes. We got Chili Dog in there right now, and Chili Dog got out on the back, so we're about to go in right now. Guys, the return of Usahara is back. The fans are up. Oh, you did it for chill for a little bit. I was literally on third gear. That third gear is dangerous. I cannot control it. Yeah. It just goes, whoa, grab it. It just goes. But guys, the return of the up. Por eso se llama la Abusadora, porque sí que su puta madre está loca. But guys, I'm just thinking about the whole thing. Abusadora's out here, the OG's out here, Shabu's out here, guys, and they're all working 100%. Am I in trouble again? What did I do to help? Well, guys, uno de los meros aquí de cima, one of the I think I got a jet car, some crazy ass shit coming right now, guys. So stay tuned. special, right around there. And not just one side, we did both sides. I think whoever did this rap, they beat you. They did a 3D rap, and you can put heat. There's some heat right here. God damn. I was talking to Ivy right now. I told him, "What do you want? A paint job? I got you. I'm gonna pay for it. Or you want to rap?" And the guys got the one only right here. We even got me go by glass. We want to go by glass. I'm on AC Performance. I'm going to feed him, but he's here right now. So you know what? We're gonna do some pink. Pink. I got the rap at the house. Pink. I
can put my picture on it.
Yeah.
Oh. You know what picture?
Yeah. The one like this? Oh, yeah. Like I said, we're going to go with Boy Hobby. I'll talk to them later. Rap or bang. I want this truck making mega nice. Guys, when we have a lot of the big small guy. That's it. Okay. Because of burnouts. Shut up, let's go, let's go. Oh yeah! continue going with it. He's gonna fix it real quick, guys, and stay tuned for the next vlog. But we're still going right now. It's not the end, guys. We're still gonna go right now. Another set of trucks about to go right now. That's more process for now. Guys, continue watching. Hey, wait! Is that your headlight right there? Is that your headlight? Look at his headlight. Guys, like I said, it's part of the game. We come out here, have some fun. I want these trucks and cars to come looking nice, and of course you gotta go home looking yeah, we're gonna destroy them, guys. You know, literally, guys, we're gonna go destroy them. But it's part of the game. If you guys ain't about it to come out here and have some fun and hook your shit up, then it's not for y'all. It's not for the week. We're gonna go out here, have everything about it, and like I said, guys, enjoy some burnouts. Let's go, let's go. Elon Musk ain't got nothing on us, right? Nothing on us. They're about to send the motherfucker to space. bro. That shit is crazy. Hell yeah. That shit is wild. That shit just throws you all over the place. Hey, you ever been in a ride on the truck? No, fuck. I'm gonna give him a ride on the truck. Let's go.
10 seconds later.
Wow, you ain't got no competition with me.
Fuck.
Well, guys, we're about to go in. Hell yeah, guys. I'm about to drive with Savannah.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Junior game. Bab shampoo. No pasa nada, guys. Look at my pink one.
Chili Dog and Kyle May in the middle.
Oh, Chili Dog hit him? No pasa nada, guys. It's just a front end. Nothing too crazy, just a front end. But this guy just came and backed the fuck out of my shit. Okay, who? Nah, guys, don't get
Nah, you need to sponsor each other.
Guys, the good thing that my boy has the body shop that we're gonna be working. So now we're gonna do City Boys, Cuddies, mine. You work on your own, bro. Shit, I got a lot of work. Okay, guys, now like I said, guys, make sure and go and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And then I'm gonna put it right here in the bottom, guys. Make sure
Junior LTX.
You don't
want to get here, stay home.
Yeah, if you want to get here, guys, just stay home. I scared the crap out of this dude. He was in the corner. I said I was spinning out right by him, and he just went, oh, damn. That shit was crazy, bro. I was like, fucking auto, guys, Kyle literally drove the truck. He just destroyed it again. I don't care, guys.
It's destroyed.
Actually, last year when I came here, that truck literally had no brakes, and I went into the wall doing about 60 miles per hour, and that kind of hurt. But it's part of the game, guys. Literally, that truck was abandoned for like a whole year. I was like, oh, working. It needed a whole frame, everything. But now,
Let me show you.
let's go show you. Let's see it. But guys,
So I thought I was going to
you were scared?
I was like, I'm sorry. There's nothing I could do. I just held on. And it's just pink. I'm like, what?
How did it try when you were in there? Like,
No, not too bad, but because there's no brakes and there's not enough power to
there's no brakes. No brakes.
Yeah.
I told him, he's like, I don't care.
I was having the time of my life, but if someone come in front of me, it was very hard to like change the direction of the car.
Yeah, because it spins out.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, but this is the way I drive the cars, and I maneuver them. It's a people.
It's a skill. Yeah.
What he does, guys, he drives. How much horsepower does your truck have? 2,000 horsepower, and I'm literally running a 350 motor, 100 horsepower motor. And guys, a lot of people think, oh, these things are easy to maneuver. When you're in there, you want to go sideways, guys. You always got like no brakes. It's on the gas. It's on the gas, and then go.
Wow, it's like adrenaline, dude. It is the craziest shit I haven't.
Guys, I'm literally driving in there, going like over 100 miles per hour. I'm zooming left and right. All I'm thinking about, I'm gonna hit somebody. And then once I clear that cloud, the cloud, I'm good. Woo. Go back in the cloud again.
You experience my truck? Way different feeling.
Yeah.
Just raw horsepower. But these things are so much fun, and this is relatable. People can buy these themselves and get into this.
Well, didn't you guys buy some too after I went?
We got some, yeah. We got sour cream and.
Guys, oh yeah, sour cream. What's the other one?
Mine was sour cream. Weston's like, I don't know what Weston called this.
Mustard or what?
No, something weird.
Sour cream.
Yeah, mine's sour cream. But we're gonna build these up, and we're gonna bring these boys out. We want to do some cool shows when we bring out.
How about I fly out there, watch out there, take a truck or two, and then we all be good.
Yeah, you just leave them. Do way better.
What'd you do?
Nothing. I did nothing.
Can we show you?
You were driving the pink one, weren't you?
Yeah.
You almost hit me, bro.
He hit you though.
That was the other pink one. That was the other pink
There's
one.
only one pink one here.
Wasn't me. I was trying to avoid the accident. Guess
You
who
didn't do a
did
good
that?
job. It looks, with that nice rotation, it looks about like a semi-tire.
Exactly. I thought I was going to die. Yeah, to be honest, that's pretty good damage considering the carnage it's out.
Hey, it's supposed to be the semi.
I saw a dent on your door. You want to explain that?
I don't know what happened to my
Fuck?
The good thing it closes.
Oh yeah, it's perfect. It's fine.
What'd you do? I don't know. I think my boy over there kind of bank. Going about 120 miles per hour and bank.
Bink. So, he banked yours, you banked yours. Everybody kind of banked each other.
That was the most fun I think I've ever had in a group of men in cars.
Oh, that's not what you said to me in Weston. That is brilliant.
Was that?
You said that last week.
Okay, how many were the three? That was the best fun I've had in a group of more than 10 people in their own cars on a paddle bus.
With the glove.
All right, repeat it now. You gotta do it.
That was the most fun I've had in a group of 10 people in their cars on a pad at the same time with their clothes on.
There you go. Now he's being honest.
I was ahora es total the game, pero no pasa nada.
Para que se le quite porque le pegó a dos personas.
No, yo no les pegué. Ellos, it was accident. Look at the cladding. The cladding's outside. Hey, how did it end up outside if I wasn't there? How that end up outside with you guys?
It was not. No, it was outside.
How did it end up outside if I wasn't there?
Bro, that shit fucking flew. It flew like towards the middle part, like where it
damn.
ends.
That's
Going
Crazy, dog. That shit fucking flew.
I wasn't even driving the pink truck. That's the fucking funny part. The homie Kyle, the one with the 3,000 horsepower truck.
Shit.
Also, you
can't look in
my
the
shirt.
I thought he put coke. I was like, what the fuck?
I got the project.
That was his driver's side and his passenger side.
Is it really messed up or not really? Nah.
Quarters, brand new quarter we got to replace.
Part of the game, right? We come have some fun, right?
You get dumb and you go out there, you got to face the consequences.
Thank you. That's what I tell everybody. Don't go out there and you're gonna start crying about your car, this and that. Look at my truck. Look at my pink one, right? I don't care about it, but look at my truck. Like, we fix them to come to SEMA and fuck them up, and then back in the drive bar, get back and have some fun. We're here to get the content for the people that watch the vlogs, you know?
Right.
But guys, big shout out to, what is it right here? The what? The Red Eye what?
The Red Eye 300.
The Red Eye 300. How you guys make sure to go and follow my Instagram, right? You guys have
Yes,
YouTube
sir.
too or just Instagram?
Oh, Facebook, YouTube.
OnlyFans, Pornhub,
Yeah,
X videos.
actually, Future Fans.
Oh, that's a new one. Nice.
Yep. Yeah.
That's right, guys. Make sure go subscribe.
Check
to
this
the,
out.
to the Instagrams, all the social media, and guys,
Give us a follow and a like.
We found the owner of the GoPro. The good thing you guys, Mr. Smith.
Looks a little rough, but it's workable.
Weston said it was a 360, now it's a 180. All right, guys, that was just said. It's gonna be the end of the video. Oh yeah, look. That was, I thought it was his.
We got it on the other side. We're like, he's like, hey, you guys were like, get over there. And I pointed to right where the right where the impact was.
Hell yeah. So we gotta get in here, but no pasa nada, guys. Well, guys, with this said, you guys see this day 2 of SEMA. Guys, stay tuned on the next vlogs. We're gonna be trying to drop them every single day. I got my editor, guys, all the way like in Sacramento, and he's gonna try to edit him real quick because, you know, guys, he works too, so he has a lot of stuff going on. But we're gonna try to drop them every single day, guys. But for now, guys, it's gonna be the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe.
Y así suena Ramiro el León. Corridos epidémicos. Y si me miran flaco son Panda Relax, me forjo un blon de Gucci Fendi.